अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू रिएक्शन स्क्वाड।
मेरा नाम है हुमायूं।
मैं हुमैर हमजा। आज हम फिर से काव्या जानी कर्ली टेल्स, मैं कहता काव्या जानी की वीडियो इतने मजे की हैं, इतनी एंटरटेनिंग है, इतनी इंफॉर्मेशनल हैं और
इंफॉर्मेशनल तो है ही, वो खुद भी बड़ी क्यूट सी हैं। और भाई कौन सी ऐसी इंडिया की ऐसी जगह है कोना कोना जहाँ ये एक्सप्लोर नहीं करती।
आज हम इंडिया की एक यूनिवर्सिटी ऋषि हुड जियाना के प्लेटफॉर्म से हम उसको देखने जा रहे थे। फर्स्ट एंड ओनली इम्पैक्ट यूनिवर्सिटी को हम आज विजिट करेंगे और कर्ली टेल्स के चैनल से जियाना हम काव्या जानी के रिव्यूज को देखेंगे, उसके बारे में कि वो क्या कहना चाहती हैं इस पूरी वीडियो में। तो
इस यूनिवर्सिटी को कैसे एक्सप्लोर किया है
जी बिल्कुल, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
जब मैं क्लास 12th में थी, आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू विद माय लाइफ। काश उस वक्त कोई ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी होती जो मेरी इस कंफ्यूजन को दूर कर पाती। बट आज इंडिया में है एक ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी जहां आपको एक ऐसा करिकुलम करवाया जाएगा जिससे आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि आपके लिए कौन सा है राइट करियर और राइट कोर्स। दिस इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट एंड ओनली इम्पैक्ट एजुकेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी। वेलकम टू ऋषि हुड यूनिवर्सिटी इन सोनीपत।
यार ये यूनिवर्सिटी कहाँ से लग रही है? ये तो
Established in 2020 amidst the farmlands of Sonipat in Haryana, Rishi Hood University is a newly built university with, of course, new age thinking. This towering academic institution is spread across 25 acres of land. इस यूनिवर्सिटी की USP है इनके 4 unconventional courses ranging from design to psychology, computer science to entrepreneurship. यहाँ थ्योरी के साथ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज का भी खास ध्यान दिया जाता है। यहाँ की फैकल्टी सिर्फ प्रोफेसर्स नहीं बल्कि इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स हैं। Entrepreneurship will be taught by entrepreneurs themselves or design will be taught by designers themselves.
फील्ड्स के
So what
प्रोफेशनल्स को आके
transpired the
स्टडी
decision to make a university जो इतने unconventional method को apply करती है? I'm curious to meet the co-founder and vice chancellor of Rishi Hood University, Mr. Shobhit Mathur. क्या ये उनकी कोई personal story से inspired है? Let's find out.
Welcome.
You have a beautiful university, I have to say.
Thank you, thank you.
I want to know what is it that inspired you to start a university of your own?
I did very well. I got a top 100 rank in IIT JEE. So I just chose the best possible field, that is IIT Bombay Computer Science. I went there. So when you graduate, you think, what do you have to do next? Just rewind back about 20 years, you will see that the today's story of India was very different about 20 years back. Not too many jobs. Who just got into it because they're possibly good in maths or they didn't have any other options.
Or they didn't know what they wanted
They
to do.
didn't want it. It's a very good option because many colleges are offering it, so you do it. But then you realize it much later in about your 30s that, oh, you're possibly a misfit.
Yeah.
How can you make this change? I mean, you have lost a good amount of productive years doing something which you are not so passionate about. So obviously, because I have myself gone through that journey, I would want to address it at Rishi Hood, right? So this is where we come in, and as I was telling you, there's a whole curriculum that kind of orients them from very early to when they are here, gives them different options, allows them to switch, make very interesting combinations. So all that happens.
It's so confusing that by grade 8 or 9 today you have to decide what stream you want to choose, what career you want to choose, even before you're actually exposed to the real world.
Yeah. So the good part of building a new university is you know what's going wrong and you will do something to address it. So naturally the good question is, what are we doing at Rishi Hood? So when students come in, and even before they come in, possibly about a year plus before they come in, when we first reach out to them in their schools, we don't talk about the career options or the program options at Rishi Hood. We talk to them about their life, counsel them, not just for career counseling, also life counseling. So we have about 360 hours of a foundational curriculum at Rishi Hood that we are very, very proud of, that allows you to discover yourself, understand what are the global challenges, what is the societal context, and then you are allowed to choose what is the major that you will be choosing. That's the
बहुत अच्छी
discipline in
बात
which
है,
you
मतलब सब
specialize.
कुछ जो है ना
Right? We are
पहले
never
उनको
taught
उनसे एक
about
करिकुलम से जो है ना
who
निकाल
are we.
लेते हैं और फिर उनको
We may have
अपना
done our
मेजर
18 years of education, but nobody has asked us this question that what is your strengths, what are you passionate about, what are your innate qualities. So it's something that's introduced to them. And then how can I be useful to society? You'll find a big challenge today in education that there is no sense of purpose left. So when you go into college campuses, students are possibly whiling away their time. There's a lot of pride in bunking classes, and then why is it that there is no purpose or an engagement with the education? Because you don't know, your motivation for education is limited to possibly a job, which is important.
job,
I agree with
definitely.
that. But then that is not going to be good enough. We need something larger than that.
I would also be interested to know about the faculty. What kind of professors and
Yeah.
teachers are there here for the students?
In most universities, when we go today, the curriculum has been designed some time back, a few decades back. It has been made incremental changes. But the world has moved on, and drastically so, right? So we have to find faculty who have the industry exposure. So about 40%
Definitely.
of our courses are taught by industry faculty. So industry faculty in person actually come in and teach. So either if it is computer science or entrepreneurship or design and psychology, they are coming from industry. The advantage is you don't realize that 4 years later you are misfit for the industry if you don't undergo this education. If they come in very early, they bring in that exposure right in the classroom from your first year onwards. Particularly because we're a residential campus. So all our learners mandatorily stay on campus for 4 years, which is a very unique model.
Oh, so even if they live around, they still
Yes,
have
yes,
to come
yes.
and shift here.
Yeah. They all have to live on campus.
Okay.
That is a very, very different learning setup because you make very thick friends. You are here together for 4 years. So we almost play the role of a parent as well. So we do a lot of life and career counseling
career counseling.
throughout the 4 years, not in the last semester alone.
Wow, sounds interesting and a holistic learning for
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
students here.
Yes, yes.
I would love to
Great.
see your classroom and the method of education
Sure,
as
sure.
well.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
So
let's
proof is in
look
the pudding. Let's have a look.
at- Okay.
Thank you. This is a very different type of a classroom that we have. We are used to a typical seating and desks, right?
Yeah.
But not every teaching happens in a lecture mode at Rishi Hood. As I said, a lot of activity-based learning happens at Rishi Hood. So you may need a setup like this, where you do a
कैसे
floor
जो है ना
setting,
वो सेटअप
and
कितना
then you
मजे
have
का है
teams
कि
sitting across,
engaging setup है.
negotiating or learning or designing a different product. So this happens in classrooms like this. This is an example of that. And the advantage of classrooms like this is because you don't have a backrest.
Yeah.
Everybody is awake and fully involved. So it's a very different design of a classroom. So
Facing each other.
facing each other,
Always.
yes. And the
Reh
instructor
ke
is
kaam
not teaching, instructor is only a facilitator. He's stepping out and the
Yeah.
4 teams get involved and design something together or solve a problem together. So the classroom setup is a very different format.
Wow, this is interesting.
Thank you. Typical classroom at Rishi Hood. So you can
कहाँ
find
से
the
typical
step
लग रहा है? ये
classroom,
तो
it's about
modern
60
typical लग
capacity,
रहा है.
and then of course all of them
60%
having
capacity है.
power supply for all their laptops that they use.
Making me feel very nostalgic.
Yeah.
Although my classroom used to be very different than this.
Yes.
It's interesting to
Ours
see how
too.
the classrooms are very different than the regular classrooms. Also the artwork here, plus the name of the university is called Rishi Hood University. What's the story there?
Very good question. So the state of being a rishi is rishihood, just like you have childhood and motherhood.
Yeah.
Rishihood is the state of being a rishi. Our imagination of rishis in the past was, oh, they are in the forests and they are not engaged. But no, they were the highest potential of a human being manifested, right? So for us at education at Rishihood is not only meant for a job and a degree, which is important, but it is to become you a complete holistic education and achieve your full potential. So that is why we have chosen the word Rishihood. And interestingly, it has been mentioned only by one person, Swami Vivekananda. He says the purpose of your education and life is to become a Rishi or attain Rishihood. That's why we have illustrations like this all around campus to remind our learners that your education is not limited to your classrooms alone. It is to become Rishi or attain Rishihood.
Sure.
क्या story है?
मतलब बैक स्टोरी भी बहुत मजे की है.
Libraries now have a very different purpose, right? I mean, they are not just meant for issuing books, they're also spaces for discussion, book reading, interacting with authors.
Is it only studying here or are there extracurricular activities also here at the university?
Oh, we'll go and see the sports complex and the different facilities that
complex.
we have on campus. But
Wow.
yes,
Would love to go check it out.
ऋषिहुड यूनिवर्सिटी में इंटरेस्टिंग क्लासरूम्स के साथ लर्नर्स एरिना भी है, जहां आपको मिलेगा टेनिस कोर्ट, बैडमिंटन कोर्ट, फुटबॉल एरिना, जिम्नेशियम एंड अ
Solar
ह्यूज
panels लगे
स्विमिंग
हुए हैं।
पूल। एकेडमिक्स के साथ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज भी हैं।
so as I was telling you, classroom is one part of the learning, but a lot happens outside the classroom.
Yeah.
And
Sports
this
complex,
swimming pool is a part of that.
Different
Very
sports
popular
are
place
there.
because a lot of learners, as you can see in the summer,
Yeah.
come and chill here after their classes, and that's where a lot of learning happens as well. We have very good coaches who
And it's a
have.
really big size pool, huh?
Yes, it's a semi-Olympic size, and we have very good
Semi-Olympic
coaches and
size.
lifeguards who give them this very useful and very important sport that all of them should learn.
Absolutely.
And very popular, among the most popular sports at ऋषिहुड is swimming. Yeah, so this is our main auditorium, and this is where
Auditorium,
all our
check करें।
institutional events, right from the initial orientation to when the students graduate, the convocation
Yeah.
happens here. I'm sure this will revive a lot of your memories.
ऋषिहुड यूनिवर्सिटी truly embodies
Convocation
the
में
sense of a home away from home. This sense of belonging is deep-rooted in its well-appointed hostel and spacious mess facilities where students indulge in wholesome and delightful meals. Students find happiness and contentment during their stay, enjoying their meals just as they would do at their home. The drive for achieving a holistic development for the students does not end here. There was also an electrifying live concert of Nikhil D'Souza and Vani Bhasin as they bring their soulful melodies to the stage. Other influential personalities like Rahul Dua, Eclipse Innova and others also attended the event. In fact, यहाँ पर learners अपना FPV drone भी खुद बना रहे हैं।
Oh, come
Well,
on.
very interestingly, there's a drone racing competition that's happening here. One of its kind. Never seen this kind of a race ever before. So what really is the Newton School of Technology?
So what we've built is one of the most modern and technology advanced courses in computer science and AI. And as you can see, I mean, we are all very practical based learning. So we have people making their own drones
Oh wow,
and
okay.
racing against each other.
IT में तो बहुत आगे है।
Why is it said that this is India's only and first impact university? What do you mean by it?
So we call it education for impact at ऋषिहुड. So we want to define impact very well. So impact is at 3 levels. One is the professional impact. So whatever profession that you choose to do, you should be really good at it, right? You should excel into it. That is where the professional impact comes in. But while we are doing that, as individuals, we should become good leaders and role models for society, right? That is the personal impact to drive satisfaction out of it. And the last and the most important thing is, while you do professionally very well and you're very good individuals yourself, you should not lose focus on what are the larger societal and the public needs. So your profession and your personal life should be in service.
वाह, पढ़ाई के साथ अपना फ्यूचर और करियर पाथ भी मैप आउट करना. This is the level of planning we all need in our lives. किसे पता था education can be so much fun.
If you want to join India's first and only impact university, apply now on the ऋषिहुड University website and seize this incredible opportunity. Admissions open for 2024.
Well, I will keep exploring the best universities of India. You go subscribe to Curly Tales and keep following us. Until next time, it's me, Kamya Jani, signing off. Bye.
Bye.
माय गॉड, इसको
कमाल,
देख के वीडियो को
कमाल।
जब वो ऑफिस में बैठे थे ना, तो मैं वहाँ का कंफर्ट, वहाँ का पीस, मैं वहाँ का महसूस कर पा रही थी हर चीज़ को, कि इतना इन्वायरमेंट को उन्होंने ऐसा रखा हुआ है कि आप सिर्फ किसी और चीज़ की तरफ आपका फोकस नहीं जा सकता. इवन वो क्लासरूम है आपका, यहाँ पे ओरिएंटेशन के लिए जो उन्होंने प्लेसेस बनाई हैं, या आपका आप कोई भी आर्ट कर रहे हो, कोई स्पोर्ट कर रहे हो, आपका ध्यान किसी और तरफ नहीं जा
नहीं
सकता,
जाएगा,
आपका
बिल्कुल।
फोकस नहीं हिल सकता, आप सिर्फ अपने काम के ऊपर ही फोकस कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। मुझे मेरा कॉलेज टाइम याद आ गया, हमारा कॉलेज भी बहुत ज़्यादा इस तरह से था और एनवायरनमेंट जो था वो मुझे इस तरह की वाइब्स दे रहा था, फीलिंग्स दे रहा था। लेकिन जैसे काव्या ने बोला कि सेकेंड ईयर के बाद हमारे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं होते थे, हम कंफ्यूज होते थे। तो ऐसी
कंप्लीट
ऑप्शंस लाइफ में होना,
काउंसलिंग आपको मिलती है साथ साथ, मतलब पहले आप अपना टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करें, आप
Exactly.
काउंसलिंग करें और उसके अंदर 36 आवर्स आपको जो है ना 360 आवर्स आई थिंक
Yes.
आपको जो है ना उसके अंदर पूरा प्रोसेस आपको मिलेगा व्हाट यू हैव टू डू। आई थिंक ये टाइम और वो टाइम जो मतलब 10 साल बाद बंदा 20 साल बाद सोचता है यार मैं
Exactly.
मिसफिट हूँ, मैं नहीं इसमें आ सकता, तो उससे बेटर आई थिंक ये टाइम है जो आपको दें और अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को, अपनी ब्रिलियंस को जो है ना वो निकालें।
और
और
इंडिया में ऐसी बहुत सारी
Opportunities हैं,
कितनी,
बिल्कुल।
काव्या ने बहुत सारी ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज जो है वो एक्सप्लोर की हैं और देखा जाए तो अब जो यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं वो आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स को हर जगह पे ये ऑप्शन,
Counselling की option बिल्कुल मिलती है आपको।
अच्छी है, आपके लिए अवेयरनेस है, गाइडलाइन है, आप इजीली अपने आप को देख सकते हो कि आप फ्यूचर में क्या
क्या
कर
करना है,
सकते हैं, आपका
बिल्कुल,
कैरियर क्या
बिल्कुल।
चीज को सूट कर रहा है।
तो
बहुत अच्छी
मुझे भी
वीडियो
बहुत
गई।
मज़ा आया, आपको भी होप सो मज़ा आया होगा। ऋषिहुड यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत ही मज़े का एक पूरा का पूरा टूर
मेरी
था।
तरफ से तो कंप्लीटली थम्स अप है भाई।
बिल्कुल मेरी तरफ से भी। तो इसी तरह के थम्स अप आप भी हमें दीजिए, हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।